はい、こんにちは。あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about how to do something. Yes, so in Japanese language, we use the word kata. Kata means the way to do something. So, for example, let's check the word swim. Swim is 泳ぎます。So, for example, 泳ぎます。泳ぎます。Okay. 泳ぎます。So what you need to do is delete must part. So must. So you just delete this part and then add kata. So it becomes 泳ぎ方。Okay. 泳ぎ方。泳ぎ方。Okay. So delete must part and then add kata. 泳ぎます change to 泳ぎ方 means how to swim. Yes. So泳ぎ方が上手です。So your way of swimming is really nice. It's very good. Yes. So, but be careful. For example, if you have something like object to describe the verb. For example, write kanji characters. We say like this. 漢字を書きます。Yes? 漢字を書きます。Yes. So when you mention how to write kanji, again we just delete this must part and then add kata. Yeah, kata. Can you see this one? It's a bit pale, so let's write it down. Okay. Kata. Kata. Can you see it? Yeah, I hope so. So, 漢字書き方. Yes, so this part 書き方 means how to write. But the 漢字を書き方 is wrong. So you need to change this all part as 漢字の書き方. So let me write. Okay, so if you want to say how to write kanji, in that case you say 漢字の書き方。Okay? 漢字の書き方。Okay? No is used, not of, and then we use kata. Okay? Why? Because 書き方 means the way of writing, so this part works as a noun phrase. Yes? So that's why kanji is a noun and then 書き方 part is a noun. So we need to use no to link them together. So 書き方, the way of writing, and then what type of writing you want to know? Kanji. Yes, 漢字の書き方. Yes? So you can tell your teacher 漢字の書き方を教えてください. Please teach me how to write 漢字. Okay? See you next time. さよなら。またね。